Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, building confidence is a gradual process. Here are some strategies you can employ to boost your confidence. 1. Identify your strengths. Make a list of your skills, talents, and accomplishments. Recognize what you're good at and take pride in your abilities. Focusing on your strengths can enhance your confidence and provide a positive self-image. 2. Set achievable goals. Establish clear and realistic goals for you. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. As you accomplish these smaller goals, you'll experience a sense of achievement that contributes to your overall confidence. 3. Face your fears. Identify the areas or situations that make you feel less confident. Gradually expose yourself to these situations and confront your fears. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you'll build resilience and realize that you're capable of handling challenges. 4. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being can significantly impact your confidence. Engage in activities that make you feel good, such as exercising, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and practicing mindfulness or meditation. When you feel good about yourself. 5. Adopt a positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts and self-doubt. By cultivating a positive mindset, practice self-affirmations and replace negative self-talk with positive and encouraging statements. Surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people who believe in your abilities. 6. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Understand that failure is a part of growth and development. When you encounter setbacks or make mistakes, view them as valuable learning experiences. Analyze what went wrong. Identify areas for improvement and use those lessons to enhance your skills and knowledge. 7. Seek continuous learning and improvement. Take initiative to learn new things and expand your knowledge. Acquiring new skills and knowledge boosts your confidence by demonstrating your ability to adapt and grow. Stay curious. Attend workshops or training programs and read books or articles related to your field of interest. 8. Practice visualization and positive self-image. Imagine yourself confidently achieving your goals. Visualize yourself succeeding in challenging situations, creating a positive mental image of yourself can help build your confidence and provide a roadmap for achieving your desired outcomes.